Okay, let's talk about something pretty incredible. What if I told you there are secret conversations happening inside your body, right now? We're about to tune in to one of the most amazing ones, a secret chat that starts with just a single step.
It sounds kind of wild, right? Muscles talking to fat. But what if they actually do? And what if you're the one who gets that conversation started every single time you move? This isn't science fiction, folks. This is the amazing science of your own body.
And that's really the heart of it all. That casual little walk you take after lunch, it's not just about walking off your food. Nope. It's about sending out critical messages that can rebalance your entire system. So let's break down exactly how this works.
All right, so to really get the solution, we've got to understand the problem first. And it's a problem that happens inside all of us every day after every single meal we eat.
Now, this is a totally normal, totally essential process. Think about that delicious meal you just had, the bread, the pasta, whatever. Your body's main job is to break it all down into its simplest form of energy, which is glucose. That's the fuel your cells need to do, well, everything.
The issue isn't really the sugar itself, it's the rush. You get a whole bunch of glucose hitting your bloodstream all at once, and that creates what we call a sugar spike. And now your body has a new mission: get that sugar out of the blood and into the cells where it belongs. This is where things get really interesting.
And that brings us to the first big aha moment. It turns out your body has this amazing biological shortcut, a kind of secret override that you can turn on with something as simple as a walk.
Just look at the difference here. On the left, when you're just sitting there, your body needs insulin. Think of insulin like a key that has to unlock your muscle cells to let the sugar in. But on the right, during a light walk, your muscles just change the rules. They can basically throw the doors open themselves and pull sugar right out of the blood. No key needed.
And that right there is the silent switch. By simply moving, you get to bypass the whole insulin system. It's probably an old evolutionary hack, a way for our muscles to get fuel immediately if we needed to run from a predator without waiting around. But that's not even the whole story. Your muscles don't just act, they talk.
So while your muscles are busy and active, they're not just burning fuel, they're actually multitasking. They're sending out messages, acting like your body's own internal postal service.
And these little messengers, they have a name: myokines. These are awesome little proteins that are only released when your muscles are contracting. And the analogy is perfect. They are literally like text messages being sent from your muscles to the rest of your body, carrying super important instructions.
The whole process is just beautifully simple. You start walking, your muscles contract. With each contraction, bam, they release a wave of these myokine messengers into your bloodstream. And now they're on their way, a fleet of tiny couriers on a very specific mission.
So this is where the plot thickens. We have all these messages zipping through your body, but where are they headed? What's their final destination?
And this isn't random junk mail, They're not just shouting into the void. These myokines have a designated recipient, a specific part of your body they need to talk to. This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? If your muscles are sending out an urgent text after a meal, what is the crucial information they need to get across?
And here it is, the big reveal. The destination for these myokines is your fat cells. Yep, the messages travel from your working muscles straight to your body's energy storage. And this is basically the command they deliver. It is direct, it is powerful, and it is a total game changer. Your muscles are telling your fat cells, hey, stop storing energy and get ready to be used as fuel. So here's the kicker. The walk doesn't just burn off the sugar from your lunch. It sends a signal forward in time, essentially priming the pump and telling your body to get ready to burn stored fat for energy down the line. How cool is that?
Let's wrap all of this up with one really powerful idea. When you take that simple walk, you're not just moving your legs, you're building something incredible inside your own body.
Think of it like a kinetic bridge. Kinetic means motion. Your movement literally creates a bridge of communication between your muscles, your bloodstream, and your fat cells. It connects the immediate act of walking to the long-term job of managing your metabolism.
So what does this all mean for you in the real world? Well, that simple walk helps control that blood sugar spike right away. That in turn means your body doesn't have to work as hard or rely so much on insulin. And at the exact same time, it sends that critical message to get your fat stores ready for action. You're literally helping to rebalance your entire metabolism one step at a time.
So the next time you finish a meal, think about the conversation you're about to start inside your body. Because now you know that every single step isn't just a step, it's a message. And it's a message your metabolism is absolutely waiting to hear.